Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Maths Online class. Myself, Deepika Singhvi. In our previous class, we have done solution of exercise 4A question number 1 and we revised our topics. Now, today we are starting solution of exercise 4A question number 2. So, the question number 2 is find the product of the following. Try to solve mentally. Means we don't have to write the digits in the column. We have to solve mentally. So here first we have 47 multiplied by 10. We have learnt about that whenever we have to multiply by the 10, 100 or 1000 digit, we will write the digit as it is, and if we are multiplying by the 10, in 10 we have 1 0, so we will just put 1 0 on the right side of the number. So 47 multiplied by 10, in 10 we have 1 0, so we will write first 47 and then we will put 1 0. So the answer is 470. Now in B, 57 multiplied by 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 we have in the bracket. So what we will do? We will multiply individually with the addends. Both are the addends. So we will multiply individually. So first 57 multiplied by 10. Because 57 is the outside of the bracket, we have to multiply 57 with the both numbers. So first we will write 57 multiplied by 10, then sign of plus, because here is the sign of plus 57 multiplied by 2. Now what we will do? First we have to multiply 57 by 10. So we will write 57 and just add 1 0 right side of the number. Now we have to multiply 57 by 2. So now we will write 57 and then we will multiply by 2. 2 7s are 14, 4 here and 1 carry over. Now 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. So 57 multiplied by 2, the answer comes 114. Now what we will do? We will add both the numbers. So 57, 570 plus 114. 4, 8, 6. So the answer is 684. We can also find here answer by adding both the addends. We have learnt in properties of multiplication, if we add both the numbers and multiply by the 57, that time also the answer comes 684 only. Now come on the C part. In C part we have 37 multiplied by 30. When we have to multiply by the multiples of 10, 100 or 1000. So this is the multiple of 10. When we have to multiply with the multiples of 10, what we will do? We will break this number. We will break this 30. So we break this number in 0 numbers digit. So here when we want to break this number, the number will be 3 multiplied by 10, 30. So we break the number in number and 0 digit number. Now what we will do? We will do 37 multiplied by 3. 3 7s are 21. 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. So when we multiply 37 by 3, 111 comes. Now we have to multiply by 10. So what we will do? We will write 111 here and just put 1 0 on the right side. So the answer is 1110. Now our D part. In D part, 15 multiplied by 23. What we will do? We will break this number in 20 plus 3. So we will write 15 multiplied by, we have break 20 plus 3. Now we will multiply 15 multiply by 20, sign of addition, because here is the sign of addition. Now 15 multiplied by 3. So here we will do directly 15 2s are 30. What we have done? Here 15. So 15 2s are 30, and here remaining 1 0, we will put 1 0 here. Now 15 3s are 45. After that we will add both the numbers, so it's 345. Now our E part. In E part we have 306 multiplied by 200. So we will break this 200 in 2 and 100. 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 200. So we will break this number. After that 306 multiplied by 2. So 306 multiplied by 2. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry over. 2 multiplied by 0 0. Carry over we will note down. And 2 3s are 6. So here 612. After that we have to multiply by 100. What we will do? We will write this digit as it is and just put 2 zeros on the right side, because in 100 2 zeros are there. So our answer is 61,200. Why we are doing so? Because in the question it is written that try to do mentally. That's why we are doing like that. Now 200 multiplied by 374. So this is the number in which we have zeros. This is the multiple of 100. We will break this number in 2 and 100. Now first we will multiply number to number as we have done before. So 374 multiplied by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. 1 carry over. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. So we have multiplied digit by the digit. So the answer comes 748. Now we will multiply with the 0 digits number. So we will write 748 directly and put 20 to the right side of the number, because in 100 we have 2 zeros, so we just put 2 zeros here. So 74,800. Now G. In G we have to multiply 14 multiplied by 2000. We will break this 2000 in 2 and 1000. So 14 multiplied by 2. 14 2s are 28. Now we have to multiply by 1000. So what we will do? We will write 28 and put 30 to the right side of the number, because in 1000 3 zeros are there. Now the last H part. 12 multiplied by 7000. We will break this 7000 in 7 and 1000. Now 12 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 1000. First we will multiply number by the number. So 12 multiplied by 7. 12 7s are 84. Now 84 multiplied by 1000. What we will do? We will write here in the answer 84 and just put 3 zeros to the right side of the number, because in 1000 we have 3 0. So in this way we have to solve these mentally. Now today we are starting solution of exercise 4b also. Find the products of the following. we have to multiply 3-digit number by the 2-digit number. So today we are learning how to multiply by the 2-digit number. Firstly, we will write the place values in the short form and then arrange the numbers in the column. As always, whenever we have to arrange the number, we start from the ones. So we have started here 134. So 4, 3, 1. Now we have to multiply by the 12. So we will write here 2 and here 1, 12. Now we start multiplication. So always we will start multiplication by ones. 2 fours are 8. Now we will multiply 2 by the 10th digit, here 3. 2 threes are 6. Now we have to multiply by the 100th digit, so 2 ones are 2. First we will multiply all the digits by 2. Now we have to start multiplication by second digit. Whenever we have to start multiplication by second digit, first we have to put here the sign of multiplication, or we can put the sign of 0 also. We can put here 0 also, or we can put the sign of multiplication. So I am putting here sign of multiplication. Now we start multiplication by 1. So first we start with the ones. So 1 fours are 4, 1 threes are 3, 1 ones are 1. Now multiplication done. Now what we have to do? We have to do addition of both the digits here. 8, here 8, so we will write 8. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 we will write here, 1 carry over. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Now 1 as it is comes here. So the answer is 1608. Now second. In second we have to multiply 274 multiply by 15. First we will write the places in the short form. Then we will arrange the number in the column. Start with the ones. And then we start multiplication by ones digit. 5 fours are 20. 2 comes here. 0 comes here into carry over. Now 5 sevens are 35 plus 2, 37. So 7 comes here and 3 carry over. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. So here we don't have here any number. So we can't carry over. We have to write this 13 whole here. Now we have to start multiplication by the second digit. So whenever we have to start multiplication by second digit, first we will put the sign of multiplication here. Now we start with the ones. 1 fours are 4, 1 sevens are 7, 1 twos are 2. Now we will add both the number. Here 0, 7 plus 4, 11, 1 here and 1 carry over. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 11. So 1 here and 1 carry over. Now 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So the answer is 4110. Now in the third, 163 multiply by 16. First we will write the places in the short form, then arrange the numbers in the column. Start with the ones. 6 threes are 18. So 8 here and 1 carry over. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 1, 37. 7 here and 3 carry over. Now 6 ones are 6 plus 3, 9. So we will write 9 here. Now we have to start with the second digit. So first we will put here sign of multiplication. Then we start with the 1. 1 threes are 3. 1 6 are 6. 1 ones are 1. Now multiplication done here. Now we will add. So here 8. 7 plus 3, 10. 0 here and 1 carry over. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 6 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer is 2608. Now in fourth, we have to multiply 258 multiply by 7. First we will write places in the short form. Then we will arrange the number in the column and start multiplication by ones digit. 7 8s are 56. We will write 6 here. In 56 2 digits are there. So 6 we will write here and 5 carry over. Now 7 5s are 35. We have to add this carry. So 35 plus 5 40. So from 40 0 we will write here and 4 carry over. Now 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 4 18. We don't have any number in the thousand, so we will write 18 here. 8 here and 1 we will write in the thousand. Now we have to multiply by the second digit, so we will put here sign of multiplication. Now we multiply by the 1. So 1 8s are 8, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2. Now sign of addition we will put here and start addition. Here 6, 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 5, 13. 3 here and 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So the answer is 4386. Fifth part, we have to multiply 398 multiply by 24. First we will write places in the short form, then start multiplication. By the ones, 4 8s are 32. So from 32 we will write 2 here and 3 carry over. Now 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 3 39. So 9 we will write here and 3 carry over. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 12 plus 3 15. So we will write here 15. Now we have to multiply by the second digit. So we put here sign of multiplication. Now 2 8s are 16. 6 here and 1 carry over. Now 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19. 9 here and 1 carry over. Now 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. Now here 2 9 plus 6 15. 5 here and 1 carry over. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 9 15. 5 here and 1 carry over. 1 plus 1 2 plus 7 9. The answer is 9552. Now sixth part. First we will write places in the short form, then 329 and then 20 we will arrange in the column. Now when we multiply by 0 to any number, the product is 0. So 0, here also 0, here also 0. Now we have to multiply by the second digit. So we will put here sign of multiplication first, then start with the second. 2 9s are 18. 8 here and 1 carry over. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 3s are 6. Now we will do addition. Here 0, here 8, here 5 and here 6. So the answer is 6580. So that's it for today. You just see this video and try to understand, and then you have to do this work in your notebook. Try to do by yourself in the notebook. That's it for today, my dear student. Good day and goodbye.